This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chelsea Parr. This 2-bedroom/2.5 bath-in unit in Casablanca East is move-in ready. The first floor features a living room, dining area and kitchen with new dishwasher and newer range plus a laundry room and a half bath. The second floor has the master bedroom with ensuite bath plus the second bedroom and hallway bath. Both upstairs bathrooms have been completely updated with new flooring, vanities, tiled showers and fixtures. You will find tile throughout the bottom floor and newer carpet upstairs. Other updates include 2017 HVAC, new front door, new blinds, new screening and pull-down shades on the back porch. First floor laundry room includes washer and dryer that were replaced in 2021. Relax and grill on your back porch that overlooks the common area and utilize the additional storage closet. Community amenities and fees include the swimming pool, exterior and grounds maintenance, building insurance master policy, pest control, water, trash, and internet. Convenient location close to UF Health, vet school, Butler Plaza, restaurants and more, plus there is a bus stop at the front of the community for easy access. For more information, review the details below.